Hello people out there. Today, I want to talk to you about something that holds us back from achieving our dreams, something that whispers negative thoughts in our ears, and something that makes us doubt our abilities. I am, of course, talking about fear. Fear is a natural emotion that we all experience at some point in our lives. It's what makes us cautious, what makes us think twice before taking a risk, and what makes us want to play it safe. But when fear takes over, it can be debilitating. It can make us feel stuck, anxious, and unsure of ourselves. So, how do we overcome fear? How do we silence that voice in our heads that tells us we're not good enough, that we're not smart enough, or that we're not talented enough? The answer is simple. We face our fears head on. We acknowledge them, we accept them, and we take action despite them. We remind ourselves that fear is not a barrier, but a stepping stone to growth and success. Think about it. Every great achievement in history was accomplished by someone who was willing to face their fears. Thomas Edison, the inventor of the light bulb, failed over 1,000 times before he succeeded. J.K. Rowling, the author of the Harry Potter series, was a single mother living on welfare when she started writing her books. Stephen King, the famous author, was rejected 30 times before his first book was published. These people didn't let fear hold them back. They didn't let fear dictate their lives. Instead, they used fear as fuel to drive them forward. They used fear to motivate themselves to work harder, to push themselves to the limit, and to achieve greatness. So, I want to leave you with a challenge today. What is the one thing that you've been wanting to do, but have been too afraid to try? Is it starting a new business? Is it asking for a promotion? Is it writing a book? Or is it taking the first step towards learning a foreign language? Whatever it is, I want you to face your fear and take action. I want you to remember that fear is not a barrier, but a stepping stone to growth and success. I want you to remind yourself that you are capable, you are strong, and you are worthy of achieving greatness. So, go out there and face your fears. Go out there and achieve greatness. Staying focused is the key to unlock all those doors of fear and explore a whole new world waiting just for you to unleash the fresh adventure beyond. You got this.